Hello, everyone. Good evening. My name is Shekinah Williams, and I am currently doing my placement at the Boys and Girls Club of Newark, which is not too far from my house, the next town over. I am also currently employed full time as a care manager for a CMO, which is a care management organization called Perkins Promise. And I'm in the state of New Jersey. Um, I've been a care manager for 3 years. Tomorrow actually is my anniversary, and I actually really enjoy it. Um, so out of this trauma course, I hope to learn basically exactly what trauma is in terms of social work and how to apply it to my everyday, everyday basically employment. What I do for work every day, understanding trauma, being able to identify it based off of the behaviors or conversation with certain clients that I have. I also hope to understand the different levels of trauma and how to engage and what services to direct my clients to that are suffering from specific trauma incidences that may have occurred. I think another thing that I would also like to take from this course is where to focus on a client that has trauma. For example, let's say I do have a client who was abused as a child, which is a traumatic experience. What, certain things to say and how to engage them without pushing them to the edge or putting them in a box so therefore they don't feel comfortable enough talking to me. So basically, it's just a communication and simple dialogue when dealing with a client who has a traumatic experience in their life. Um, so it seems as though self-care, well, not it seems as though self-care is very important in this field. With work, they stress self-care to us all of the time. Make sure you take days, make sure you take a vacation, make sure you take a mental health day, make sure you learn how to calm down, relax, try not to take work home with you so much, literally take the job home with you. So 3 ways that I think I'm going to take care of myself this semester is actually take some time off and not do anything. Whether it's with internship or just work, just relax, spend some time with my son and my family. Um, Another way that I think I'm going to take care of myself is to the gym, get back into the gym like I used to, exercise more. And then lastly, just participate more in the activities of my church, become more engaged like I was before. Um, bringing my relationship with God closer. For the last couple of months, it's been very rough with me trying to balance out everything. So I think those are the ways that I'm going to self-care for myself this semester. And also moving forward, also, carrying that on with me past this course. So I definitely look forward to working with everyone and have a good night.